Alright guys, getting ready to open up a contenders box here at Retail Blaster Box. One autograph or rookie ticket swatch, or possible rookie ticket swatch autograph. Waiting for a YouTube show to start here. And I figured to rip the box with my little girl tonight. The winter baseball, she enjoys that quite a bit. So we did another box with her, did a little cards and kids, or kids and cards. Kind of like cards and cake, but you know, with kids. And let's see what we got here. Fatty right there. So if we get an autograph, it's going to have to be an on-card RPA type of a card. Alright, let's see what we got here. Got a nice Bucks Godwin. And again, you're not going to get any rookie base cards. MVP Mahomes, I'll take that. Not going to get any base rookie cards. They're getting ready to go live here.
And I'm back with my classic 2 slices of
here, Mr. Cards and Cake in the back. I have no idea what I do with my remote control. And that is way too loud. Seriously, I have no idea what I do with my remote. This is crazy.
Which is 6 years older than me. He's been in this hobby for so long.
Alright, well, I'm just going to keep on ripping this here. We can just listen to him in the background for a quick second. If I can find my stupid remote. I will definitely do that. But let's get through this break. See what we end up with. Jets for Christian. But yeah, we got some cards and cakes going on here with Sports Card Investor Live and the Comeback Card Investor known as Brad. So I'm getting ready to get on that right there. Rookie of the Year, DeAndre Swift. Alright, 2 packs left. You get through this stuff pretty quick when you're ripping it. Let's see, yep. What's going on, player?
You got the popcorn, I got the cake. I want to show you something before I bring
Ray Lewis Legendary.
I just hope it's
legendary because he got away with trying to kill somebody on the field. Alright, let's see what we get here. We're looking for one of the big boys. Look at that card right there. Wow. Look at that one too. Rajesh discount double check. It's double jacked up is what it is.
And it was this little letter right here. It says Comeback Card
Fitz
Investor.
Magic.
And then on the back it said something weird. It said, one thing I've noticed is every time I watch your videos, it seems like the water bottles and jugs keep getting bigger or you're getting smaller. And
okay, so
really
one autograph or rookie ticket swatch.
Here, it says,
did I miss something? Whole bunch of packs. Not an autograph. I figured this was a thicker pack, and it looked like a thicker pack. But there is definitely no
some of them, like Josh Freeman, who was supposed to be our franchise quarterback, who did not pan out.
Autograph or rookie ticket swatch in this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I appreciate that. This is a number
40 cards per box. Just trying to see. Huh. 5 packs, 8 cards per pack. Got that. 1 autograph or rookie ticket swatch per box on average. Oh, I didn't get either one on average. So I guess I'll reach out to Panini and see what they can do. I will save all of this together as well as this video for them in case they need that information, want that stuff back. We'll double check these real quick. Make sure I did not miss something. I don't see any autographs, couple damaged cards. Let's see here. Let's see. Alright, I'll flip these over too just in case I missed something, but I do not think I missed anything on this. Let's see, and then these that I threw over here. No autograph. No swatch. Just some garbage. Wow. Alright, well, like, subscribe, leave a comment, and let's hope that Panini makes up for this. And if they do, I will definitely let you know. All right, thanks, guys.